Hey guys, welcome to Tech tutorial. In today's video, I will show you Temu app tutorial or how to use the Temu app. It is a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. So let's dive right in. Today, we're diving into a brand new app that's been making waves. So this is the Temu app. If you're looking to explore its features or you're completely new to it, you're in the right place. I'm going to guide you through every steps, making it easy for you to use the Temu app effectively. But before we jump into the details, make sure you have the app downloaded from your respective app store before we could explore what this app has to offer. So as you can see in here, we have already the Temu app onto your app store installed. So this is Temu, shop like a billionaire, and this is actually its logo. You can see its rating, so ages from 4 plus years old can use this, and it is number 15 onto the shopping chart. So the developer for this is Temu, and it is actually compatible with English plus 28 more languages. So you can see the size of it, and I think it may vary onto every phone. So as you can see, this is what it looks like for the preview. We have your women's fashion, home and kitchen, men's trends, Temu categories, 24/7 customer service. So you could actually shop on Temu for exclusive offer, and it is actually free delivery everywhere. So no matter what you're looking for, Temu has you covered, including fashion, home decor, handmade crafts, beauty and cosmetics, clothing, shoes, and more. And since we've gone ahead and already installed the app, let's gonna click on open to see what it gives us. Now as you can see, it will redirect us onto Temu app, and you'll get redirected already onto its dashboard. But before we head on to that, let's sign in first for the best experience for this. So you can see a sign in button here onto the bottom part. So you'll just have to click onto this one. And if you don't have an account yet, you'll just need to go ahead and register. So this is what you'll need to do. So you'll just need to type in your email or phone number and then click on to continue. And you also have the option to continue with Google account, Facebook account, and also your Apple account. So by continuing, you should agree to the terms of use and privacy policy for that. So we have also in here the free shipping on all orders and free return within 90 days. So I'm just gonna choose in here which platform you're gonna use, or you could add in your email. And personally, I try to use my Google account onto every sign in that I do so that I don't have to remember my email and password. I'll just go directly and click onto the account that I want to use. So let's gonna click onto that, click on to continue, and then fill in the details. Now, as you can see, it is already signing up. You'll just need to wait for that. And right after it is done, you should get redirected back again onto its dashboard. So this is what it looks like. So we have here the search bar onto the upper part. So this is where you could go ahead and type in some categories or anything that you want to see. So if you click onto that, you should be able to see what are popular right now. Also some recommendation or history recommendation in here. If you've noticed also, there is a camera button in here. If you click onto the camera button, so this will actually help you with your visual search. So if you're actually not familiar onto what it is called onto the product that you're looking for, you could use the visual search for that. So just need to allow the camera. And then we also have the search bar, and then let's head back again in here. So below the search bar, there are different categories that it offers. So this category will help you sort out the products in here so that it would be easier for you to find out anything that you're looking for. So for example, you're browsing for something for your pets, you'll just have to click onto pets in here, and then right after you should be able to see the different things that are actually compatible with that or actually inside that category. Now going back here, let's head on to all. So you could also see in here the lightning deals or the limited time offer. So these are actually the products that are on to sale, or it has some deals that is actually limited time only. So you could browse through that. There are also categories in here. So beside from the category below the search bar, we also have categories in here wherein you could choose onto different products, wherein we have the new arrivals and many more. So you could also see in here the different providers or the recommended providers. So these are the shops that you could actually go ahead and browse to since it is recommended by the Temu app. Scrolling down further, you should be able to see more of the products that Temu offers. Now, if we head here onto its bottom part, we could actually see the home. So we're in the home option already. If we click onto the one that is beside that, So we could see the categories. So this is another way to browse through the categories. So there are a lot of things that it offers. So if you click onto electronics in here into the category, you could go ahead and see also in here the different things or the category inside the specific category. So we have here the power strips, audio and radio inside the electronics. And if you click onto that, you'll get redirected onto the specific things that are inside that. Now going back, here if you click onto you, so this is where you should be able to see your account. So if you're actually have ordered anything already, you should be able to see it on your orders. If you have reviewed anything, you have reviews. We also have the coupons and offers, your credit balance, and you could also add in an address. Now, if you want to go ahead and head onto their customer service, we have that one here. Onto the upper part, we have support. We have a lot of help articles in here that you could browse into, but if you actually want to talk to an agent, we have the contact us option onto its bottom part. Now going back, we also have this icon in here, which is the gear icon or the settings icon. So you could actually see in here your account security, privacy, and some of the permissions that you allow onto Temu. So we have here the payment methods, your country and region, you could choose also in here, your language, currency, your notification, and if you want to know more about the app, if you want to share the app, if you want to switch account and sign out, this is where you could see it onto the settings. Now going back here, so let's try out to see the one that is beside the U icon, which is the cart. So this is where you should be able to see your shopping carts or the items that you have added onto your cart already before checking out. So as you can see, we don't have anything yet in here. So we'll try out putting something in here later on. And as you can see, there are the safe payment option guide in here, secure privacy, Temu purchase protection, and delivery guarantee. Now let's head back to home in here and let's try to put something onto our shopping cart and let's try to check out it. So for example, we're browsing in here and you actually want to buy this specific lamp. So we have here the astronaut star projector. So this one, we're going to click onto that specific product so you have an overview over it. You have a picture and you also have what the name of the product is, its price, the rating, and the quantity. So you could go ahead and click onto the plus icon if you want to go ahead and select the quantity in here just like that. So let's leave it to 1. We also have in here the different reviews provided by other users, the product details, also the shop or the shop name, the one who is selling this. So you could follow them, you could browse onto their shop, and you could also see the rating of the shop itself. So here onto the product details, it will provide you more information regarding the product that you're watching. So you could see that one in here, and scrolling down further, you should be able to see the one that is recommended in here or the same onto the product that you're actually watching. So if you're not satisfied onto that, there are actually other items that are the same onto that is recommended. So you could browse here onto the bottom part for that. So since we're here already, you could see that there is an add to cart item onto the bottom part. So we'll just have to click onto that and it is added to our cart already. Let's view the cart here onto the left side. We could actually see that one also here. We could head back home and just click onto cart and you should be able to see the item already added in here. So as you can see, we have it onto our cart. We're gonna click onto checkout to buy the specific item. And to proceed, you'll just need to fill in the details, your country, your first name, last name, phone number, street address, apartment, state or province, city, and barangay. So we'll just need to go ahead and fill those details out and click on to save. Now, once it has been added, you're gonna be redirected onto the final stage, which is the checkout. So this is where you could go ahead and choose a payment method. You'll just have to choose which one. We have Gcash, card, you could add a new card, GrabPay or PayPal in here. You could see that the shipping is free. We also have the plant with Temu in here, so they invite you to plant a tree for just a specific amount. You could apply a coupon code in here, the total of the item. So you have here the discount, or we also have the subtotal, and many more. So you could see more information in here. Please do read it so that you should be able to go ahead and see the different informations that it offers. And then right after, once you're done, just click on to submit order, and that's just basically it onto placing an order onto your Temu app. So that brings us to the end of this Temu app tutorial. So we've covered a lot of ground today, and I hope you feel more confident using the app. And if you think this tutorial has been helpful to you, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.